How to earn money from YouTube. YouTube isn't just for sharing videos, it's a platform to earn real income. Let's break down how creators can monetize this year. So, to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need about 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12 months or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. So once approved, you can earn through ad revenue, YouTube Premium shares, channel memberships, super chats, brand sponsorships, affiliate links, and even selling digital products. Ad revenue is low at first. Most creators take 12 to 18 months of consistent uploads before hitting monetization threshold. Niche matters. Tech and finance channels can earn 5 to 10 times more per view than gaming or lifestyle vlogs. Choose a niche that balances passion and profitability. So make sure to upload longer videos to build hours faster. Use clear thumbnails and titles. Layer affiliate links before YPP approval and build community with memberships once you hit 500 subs. Don't rely on ads. Combine memberships, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing to maximize income. YouTube is a marathon and not a sprint.